Marvin Blicker here. So if you're watching the other videos, you'll realize that it's all been building up to this using the S7 1200 PLC to other web server, and from there getting into the user-defined pages and be able to actually manipulate PLC outputs over the internet. So here we go. Once you're in the local area network, you can go in. Alright, 0.1. You get into the Siemens web server itself, and then from there you can get in. And you'll be here. So previously you saw all the stuff that I had done before. I give myself access to all this as administrator, so you can do the diagnostics and all the other stuff that you need. You can get the program info, how fast the PLC is running, how much of the CPU you're using. I'll give you all the IP addresses and all that stuff. And then well, this tag status is important, because if you know the tags that you're using in your program, then you can be able to put it in and you'll be able to monitor the value or shift the value almost like a force table. And then the watch tables, this is the force tables that I had designed before. So this one you can actually use to change the values inside your program. Really good diagnostic tool. If, like I mentioned before, if something is stuck in the wrong position, you can use this to change it. And then the watch tables themselves, you can use it to see the state of which every process is inside the PLC. Most of the outputs that you want, whatever you want to put on your watch table, will be here. And the good part is that you can generate a page with all that information, and you'll have a timestamp to it, so you know exactly what is going on at that particular time or date. And then you can go to the file browser, and here the data logs we created before will come to this page. And the beauty of it, you can create them in Excel spreadsheet, and it'll give you exactly what was going on at the exact time. So depending on how you set your timer, you can be able to collect data according to seconds, milliseconds, days, hours, weeks, monthly, and then you generate a spreadsheet of which you can use for whatever other purposes you need. And the main event, which was the user-defined web pages. So you can have your home web page designed, and then from there you can go into all the other sub pages underneath it. Like that one gives you the router accesses, and then you have the variable references all the way down, and then you can have the maintenance log, where you can connect it to PHP and MySQL, all that good stuff, to be able to collect all this data and put in whatever you need. So like you can see what the maintenance crew did and who did it, and you can put an email in there for them so you can communicate with them. And then you can have PLC controls, and this was the main thing, to be able to use this web page here to control something on the PLC, not the blue light. Right now it's on and it goes off, and I did that over the network, on and off. So that was the main gist of the whole program, just to get it to be able to do that, because that allows you to do Internet of Things using already existing tech, which is the Siemens S7 1200. So you can also use JavaScript to modify data values inside the memory bits inside the system. So when people are talking about Internet of Things and stuff, the technology has been here for a long time, just that most people do not know how powerful the S7 1200 PLC actually is. So, all right, that'll be it, and thank you.